Reservation. Booking a table in advance. Traveler. Hello, I have a reservation for 2 under the name Sarah. Host. Welcome. Your table is ready. Please follow me. Traveler. Thank you. Can we sit by the window? Host. Let me check. Yes, we have a window table available. Menu. A list of food and drink options. Traveler. Can I have a menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Here's our menu for today. Traveler. Thank you. What's your special today? Waiter. Our special is grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main meal. Traveler. What appetizers do you recommend? Waiter. I suggest trying our garlic bread or salad. Traveler. That sounds great. I'll have the garlic bread, please. Waiter. Excellent choice. I'll bring that right out. Main course. The primary dish in a meal. Traveler. I'd like the grilled chicken for my main course. Waiter. Great choice. It comes with a side of vegetables. Traveler. Can I have mashed potatoes instead of vegetables? Waiter. Sure, we can do that for you. Dessert. A sweet dish served at the end of a meal. Traveler. What's your most popular dessert? Waiter. Our chocolate cake is very popular. Traveler. I'll have that. Could you add a scoop of vanilla ice cream? Waiter. Absolutely. I'll make sure it's perfect for you. Bill. The total amount you need to pay for your meal. Traveler. Can I have the bill, please? Waiter. Sure, I'll bring it right away. Traveler. I hope the service charge is included? Waiter. Yes, but you're welcome to leave an extra tip if you'd like. Tip. Extra money given for good service. Traveler. How much should I tip? Friend. Usually, it's around 15 to 20% of the bill. Traveler. Okay, I'll leave 20% since the service was great. Friend. That sounds fair. The waiter was really attentive.